appears that it's actually not. I don't know where we're going. There's a couple of signs that said, beware of logging trucks. So I'm somewhat worried about that. But it is Thanksgiving, so we'll assume the logging trucks will not bother us. I believe that is where we are going. It was an awful long ways away a little while ago. Now it's getting closer. Folks, I came to a fork in the road, so I took it, and we have found ourselves I think it's 14 miles. They said it was 13 miles, but I think it was a lot of miles on a dirt road going about 8 to 10 miles an hour, and we are on top of a mountain. I mean a big mountain. This is an impressive drive. It's really nice on the four-wheel. It's bumpy. I think you'd get anything in here. In fact, if I look down the parking lot here, there's a lot of cars of all sorts. So, but this is Table Rock picnic area, and the summit hike is 1 mile, except it's 4:30 and the sun I think is going to go down pretty quick. So I don't know if we're going to do that. And of course, Dakota doesn't really want to do that, but we are way at the top of the world. This is one cool area. So this is Table Rock in the absolute best light possible. And I'll throw up the drone and I'll see if I can get some better shots. I should probably try to get all the way around it, but there's a lot of people here and I don't want to disturb them with the noise. But apparently you can take a trail all the way to the top. It's about a mile, they say. The other side must be a little nicer. I don't see any people up there. Couple of escapees from today's dinner table.